Achieve. Verb. Verb forms. Present simple. I, you, we, they achieve. He, she, it achieves. Past simple. Achieved. Past participle. Achieved. ing form. Achieving. 1. Transitive. Achieve something. To succeed in reaching a particular goal, status or standard, especially by making an effort for a long time. Synonym. Attain. Examples. He had finally achieved success. They have both achieved great results. She has worked hard to achieve her goal. To achieve an objective, aim. They could not achieve their target of less than 3% inflation. The firm has achieved the status of undisputed market leader. Achieve something through doing something. Course objectives were achieved through a range of activities. Extra examples. I achieved a long-standing ambition to fly solo. Sooner or later our shared efforts will achieve results. The present law has failed to achieve its objectives. How to achieve a balance between work and family life. 2. Transitive. Achieve something to succeed in doing something or causing something to happen. Synonym. Accomplish. Examples. I haven't achieved very much today. All you've achieved is to upset my parents. Extra examples. By the end of the afternoon we had achieved very little. They haven't achieved much yet. I knew that the demonstration would achieve nothing. 3. Intransitive. To be successful. Examples. Their background gives them little chance of achieving at school. These students need to achieve academically in order to enter the labor market. See also. Overachieve, underachieve. Word origin. Middle English. From Old French achever. Come or bring to a head. From achieve, to a head.